Hi students, welcome to Tricks in JEE and NEET. Today we are going to discuss about the trick which says which is aromatic or which is anti-aromatic or which is non-aromatic. Okay. First you need to set two things. That is, first one is it should be cyclic. Okay. If it is if the given compound is cyclic, then the compound may be aromatic or anti-aromatic. Okay. If it is not cyclic, then go to non-aromatic. Okay. This is the first basic thing you should know. And the second one is there should be conjugation. What is conjugation? See, you should observe different. What is this different? Pi, sigma, pi, sigma, pi, sigma, pi, sigma, lone pair, pi, sigma, positive charge, lone pair, sigma, positive charge. Like this, you should see different bonds. Okay. Now let's, okay, the trick is, just wait. Okay, see, the trick is first aromatic and anti-aromatic. Here, how many starting letter A is there? 1. Okay, 1. And here, how many starting letters A are there? 2. 1 is odd number and 2 is even number. Okay. Suppose take this compound. Okay. Now count the pi electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pi electrons are there. 4 is even multiple of 2. Right. It is even multiple of 2. So it comes under anti-aromatic. Now take this benzene. How many pi electrons are there? 6 are there. 6 is odd multiple of 2. Odd in the sense aromatic. That's it. This is the ultimate thing you should know. So let's solve some examples and then we will move to questions. The first question, the first example is benzene. Now I discussed about that. How many, it is cyclic, and see whether it is conjugated or not. Pi, sigma, pi, sigma, pi, sigma. Conjugation is there. I observed the different. So it is conjugated. Now count the electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is an odd multiple. Odd multiple in the sense 1A. 1A in the sense aromatic. Right? Now, see, next it is cyclic. Yes, it is cyclic. And see conjugation. Pi, sigma. Here on nitrogen lone pair is there. So sigma lone pair, sigma pi. So conjugation is there. Count the number of pi electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is odd multiple of 2. Odd multiple aromatic. And see this example. Is it a conjugation or not? Cyclic? Yes. Conjugation. Pi, sigma, positive, sigma. Yes, conjugation is there. And how many pi electrons? 1, 2. 2 is an odd multiple of 2. So, this is aromatic. Okay. Now, see this. Yes, it is cyclic. Is there any conjugation? Sigma. No conjugation. No conjugation means move to non-aromatic. Yes, it is non-aromatic. Now, see this cyclic. Yes, cyclic. But what about conjugation? Pi, sigma. No conjugation is there. So, it is non-aromatic. Non-aromatic. Now, move to this. Yes, cyclic. Is there any conjugation? Sigma, pi, sigma, lone pair, sigma, pi, sigma. Sigma is there. there is no conjugation here. So in the ring, at one point you didn't observe that conjugation. Then totally the compound is non-conjugated. There is no conjugation in the compound. You have to consider and put it as non-aromatic. Okay. Now see this example. Yes, cyclic, and is there any conjugation? You have to check it. Pi, sigma, pi, sigma. Okay, conjugation. See here also, see pi, sigma. On nitrogen lone pair is there. So sigma lone pair, sigma pi. Yes, conjugation is there. Now count the number of pi electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 is odd multiple. Odd multiple in the sense aromatic. Okay. So we solved some examples. Now we will move to the questions. See this question. In the molecular orbital model of benzene, how many pi electrons are delocalized about the ring? They asked in the benzene, how many electrons are delocalized? Only pi electrons will delocalize. How many pi electrons are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is the first one is the correct option. So move to the questions. This is the first question. How many compounds are aromatic? Aromatic, only one A is there, odd. So whatever the number of electrons you get, that should be an odd multiple of 2 you have to consider. Okay. Now first see cyclic. Conjugation is there, pi, sigma, pi, sigma, pi, sigma. Just wait. Yeah. Pi, sigma, like this. Yes, there is conjugation. And how many number of electrons? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 is an odd multiple. Odd multiple in the sense aromatic. Yes, this is aromatic. And see this pi, sigma positive, sigma. Yes, it is conjugation. Cyclic, how many electrons are there? 2 electrons. It is an odd multiple of 2. So, yes, this is also aromatic. Now see this example 1, 2. First check cyclic and next conjugation. Pi, sigma positive, pi, sigma. Yes, conjugation is there. How many number of electrons? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is an odd multiple. Yes, it is also aromatic. So option D is the correct option, which states that all the given examples are correct. See this question, which of the following are not aromatic? Not aromatic, it means that which of the following are not aromatic? They asked. First see this question. 1, cyclic yes, conjugation yes. How many number of electrons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 6 electrons. 6 we can write it as odd multiple of 2. Yes, it is aromatic. See here, nitrogen, on nitrogen electrons are there, but it doesn't participate in the delocalization. Okay. Next, see this compound. On sulfur, yes, lone pair is there. Pi electrons are there, which delocalize in the ring. So how many pi electrons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is an expressed in all multiple of 2. So this is also aromatic. See this question. Yes, is this here on nitrogen lone pairs are there, and on oxygen also lone pairs are there. When you count it, this is also 6, this is also 6. So these two are okay. These are aromatic. Coming to this boron. Boron is what is the atomic number of boron? 5. Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron. So boron 2, 4. See, on boron there will be no lone pair. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 electrons, pi electrons are there, and at the same time this is not in conjugation. Not conjugation in the sense it is non-aromatic. Non-aromatic. So fifth one is the correct one. See, is there any option given here? Yeah, fifth one. C is the correct answer. And see here I want to tell one thing, that is Aromatic compounds are more stable than non-aromatic. Okay, and which follows anti-aromatic. So when we talk about the stability order, aromatic compounds are more stable than non-aromatic compounds, and non-aromatic compounds are more stable than anti-aromatic compounds. See these examples. The order of stability of the compounds X, Y, Z. First, find which is aromatic and which is non-aromatic. Is there conjugation? No. Here there is no conjugation. So it is non-aromatic. And see here, is there conjugation? Cyclic? Yes, yes. And how many pi electrons? 4 pi electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pi electrons can be written as 2 into 2. Even multiple. Even multiple in the sense anti-aromatic. And see here, it is lone pair, negative charge having a lone pair of electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 we can write is odd multiple, and it is aromatic. So Z is greater than, when we talk about stability, aromatic compounds have more stability than non-aromatic. X is greater than Y. Z is greater than X is greater than Y. C is the correct answer. Okay. Now move to the fourth question. Which of the following compounds are anti-aromatic? Anti-aromatic means, I already told you that the number of electrons you got, that should be even multiple of 2. Okay. See, first compound is cyclic, conjugated. How many electrons? 6 electrons are there. 6 electrons, 2 into 3. Yes, it is aromatic. And see this example, 1 into 2, 2 into 1 odd multiple. So this is also aromatic. See, cyclic, conjugated. I don't want to discuss about that because that is easy. I am just going to tell you the trick. Okay. Aromatic. You should easily able to solve, like, yes, 4 electrons. 4 electrons are even multiple of 2. Yes, it is anti-aromatic. Like this you have to do, which saves your time. At least it will save 15 seconds time, I think so. When you apply 4n plus 2 or 4n, you have to make it that pi electrons, and you should get n value integer. That calculation needs at least 15 seconds. To save that 15 seconds, this is a small trick. Okay. Now see this question. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 electrons are there. 4 we can write it as even multiple of 2. So yes, this is anti-aromatic. Right? So 3 and 4 are anti-aromatic compounds. Look at the options. First one is the correct option. So let me do it yourself questions. See, this is the do it yourself questions. 46 and 47 you have to do it yourself. So thank you so much for watching this video.